He's just chilling.
بتعانين منا لا.
No. Chilling dog.
No, you should eat like this, isn't it?
He's not hungry.
You see him yet?
You hear him whistling?
هي بمايو بالتراك معي ويوسكوا وهن يردوا عليها الصغار.
I don't think it's not from the dive. Right, Miss Kitty Cat?
He's a chunk out here.
Oh. Boom. There goes his stomach.
His heart, what is that?
This is his air bubble. He made a mistake, bro. He made a mistake. Big mistake, man. Why'd you die? Are you dead, Mr. Frog? Look, his heart's still beating.
Where is it?
It's still moving.
No, he's still moving.
Hey.
2 pieces صارت.
Hey, yo.
No way.
Man, that's a badass frog. We should never
Keep him.
بقدر نجيب لك منهم بعض.
هذا لك بعضه نروح عم يطلع. I don't think that's possible, bro.
Wow.
No, I'm definitely wrong.
ما في البرين عم تشكل البال.
Those are some good frog legs. Take them off.
I'll give it to the alligators?
No. He's still kicking.
Look at the cat, look at the cat.
Hey, man. I've never seen that. Finish him.
Oh, he's done.
He's done. He took his arm off. Finish the fucking
Nothing
frog.
else. How's he moving?
I don't get it, but I think he's gonna still move.
I got tortured.
مو في شيء حرام عم خلوا ليموتوا ما حدا خلق لضل كان
He's still alive?
Yes, you have to finish him.
ما في شيء.
Look at it, man. I've never seen that before. There's nothing on him. Like, how is he still kicking? Look, now they're making sure he's dead. That's a mob right there. If he still kicks right now, I don't know what legs
Where'd he go?
Oh, he's gone.
That's lost right
Right there.
Oh,
Big
really?
piece.
On the bag?
الأرض صارت.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Still lost.
ورا.
He's still moving. Look at him.